This Dorado, first live. Dorado. Yeah.
The one and only.
They got the boys. Drizzy Dev. David Handy looking ass nigga. Not Devin. Got the big Trav. The biggest tank in the goddamn world. Travis. Yeah, man. And you got me, man.
Blackest nigga on earth.
Look at this goddamn pale face nigga right here, man. This goddamn Parmesan cheese ass nigga, bro. Hey, you can't play that, man. What the hell? What's up, Abdul? Hey, pause it real quick. We got one person in here. We got 7 people in here. Pause it, bro. 7 people in here, bro. Yeah, we got 7 people in here, man. Join the live. We got 7 people in here, man. I just realized it. But come on, man. I'm going live for the first time on YouTube. We got 5 people now. Yeah, man. I'm saying, bro. Like, this is my first time going live.
My mom is
because I'm trying to get somewhere, man.
My mom is in Hawaii right now, guys.
For real?
Yeah, nigga.
Okay. Shout out to Mama Ford.
That sound like rich nigga crowd.
That sound like a rich nigga. Hey, click the live. Click on.
Yeah. And I couldn't go type shit.
Yeah.
Oh, somebody. Hey, somebody roast me, y'all. Somebody said, how the fuck did a potato get on live? God damn.
He sound brain dead. That person sound brain dead. He still on there?
I think so.
He sound brain
This
dead.
nigga don't even got a real name. This nigga named G.
He don't even
6585.
He got a picture of himself.
Yeah, talking
He
shit.
probably look. Bro, let's talk about him for a second.
All right, let's talk about him for a second. You goddamn punk ass motherfucker. Yeah, bring your bitch ass on here, man. I wish I could ask somebody. Hi, Alex. Hi, X Air. Do you slay? Man, I slain that motherfucking Thundercat. Hell yeah. Yeah. Guys, don't mean there's no need. Yeah, man, I ain't worried about that punk ass nigga. He ain't got his face on the goddamn profile. His picture on the profile. That's what I meant. Yo, bro, show us your location. Hell no, I ain't showing you my motherfucking location, bitch. Shit. Travis, I'm gonna goddamn grab your goddamn. Shit, try to come where I'm at. My bad, gang. Shut you. Yeah, man, what the hell? I'm lace. Oh, my bad. Nice glasses, thank you. You up? Place. Man, if you come run up on me, man. Look, Trav. I don't even want to show, man, I don't even want to show my face no more. Look at this motherfucker say. Nigga trying to show my location, man. What the fuck? You shy? No. Let me get a discount. Man, you gotta come in the store, man. Wherever you at, you gotta go to the store. Don't be calling him Case 2.0.